Hello everyone, my name is Joyce, and yeah, this is my 100 subscriber special, which is voice revealing. Yes, my friends told me to do this in 100 subscribers, and yep, we are doing this like right now. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the subscribers, and yeah, thank you for everything. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what to say right now because yeah, this is totally what it is. I don't. Yeah, you see me distracting Shelly. Well, I got a little bored. So yeah, I used Shelly for distracting. I know my voice is uh, kind of funny, but this is totally